हेलो वी आर एट नम्मा बेंगलुरु। ओला ने हमें यहाँ बुलाया तो मैं सीधा चला आया। द फर्स्ट टाइम वी केम टू बेंगलुरु, ओला मेड अस सिट इन अ swanky ओला cab. The second time ओला called us to Hyderabad यारो for the Comic Con and they gave us a super car मेरे यार Jaguar. And this time Ola is giving you a very plain सा surprise. I mean really the plane is the surprise. You booked an Ola, but you got a flight ride. How?
I just got into this app. There was a small icon called Fly and I just clicked it.
सडनली देखा ऐसा ऑफर आया है, हम लोग पूरा एक्साइटेड हो गए।
बिना ब्रश किए आए अभी सुबह।
मैं तभी कहूँ ये
क्यों रहा है?
deodorant लाओ यार। And look at this guy, he's actually wearing the aviators.
Yes, I've come all prepared for that Ola ride, man.
What are your expectations from this flight?
I just want to see how all things look so small from above.
Sit back, enjoy the entire ride. That's all I wanted to do.
So how high do you think the plane will go?
Maybe around 10,000 foot, 15,000 foot. That's
10,000 feet, 15,000 feet. Right. Okay. But honestly, it doesn't go more than 800 feet. So what kind of food are you expecting in this?
anything light will be good. Acha, yeah, and all. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, full.
Without brushing, you want to eat more? What if they ask you to fly?
I don't know. Okay, I'll check with the pilot if the parachutes are there. In case of anything, I can hop on the parachute.
If there is no parachute,
Wait for the
then we just have garlands waiting for you over here. Do you have any experience of flying a plane?
No, only in flight simulator.
It's like saying, hey, listen, I can beat Brett Lee's ball, but I only play cricket on EA Sports. You're flying in the air, okay? A bird just comes and says, can I stay there?
Yeah, please. It'll be good, no? Small birds.
You will be a nature-friendly guy then. Why are you dressed like Tom Cruise from Mission Impossible?
Whenever I go to fly, I'll wear this jackets and all.
Whether it's a passenger flight, this one is a microplane.
I do agree.
You don't have a choice. Why so serious?
पहली बार देख रहा हूँ कभी चलाने का मौका ही नहीं मिला था।
अच्छा, you really think कि आप चलाओगे आज?
अगर थोड़ा मिल जाएगा तो मजा आ जाएगा।
गाँव बसा नहीं चोर वाले आ गए। So now they're going to probably have another Ola cab over there waiting for you, which they've converted into a plane.
spy movie.
Yeah. So I hope you go out there and have a good look at the nature and let us know how it feels, man, when you come back.
Sure.
All the best, buddy. So, how was the car that flies?
It was not. You bluffed, I asked the pilot over there.
How was it up there, man?
It was very nice.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
It was like very calm, only small engine sound.
Really super brilliant experience, man.
What did they make you do in the plane?
Pilot told me to handle the joystick.
Did it wobble?
Yes,
Why?
I pushed a bit hard.
That's what she said.
ऐसे पकड़ के घुमाने का।
एकदम upside down.
एक्सीडेंट होने ही वाला था, मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा इतना पलट गया कि मुझे डर लग गया भी, लेकिन नहीं आई विल डू इट। खुद ही छोड़ दिया।
सिमुलेटर ट्रेनिंग पूरा फेल हो गया। I turned that to right and left and up.
Nice. So you used his joystick or the plane's joystick?
No, plane's joystick.
Flight में खाना कैसा था?
खाना? अरे यार मैं नहीं लेकर गया।
खाना किधर था? खाना ही नहीं था. Forget about the खाना. The flight was really good.
If we had an air hostess, what would you have made her do to you?
पायलट तो राइडिंग करने में बिजी था और हम हमारा काम चला सकते थे।
I would have talked to her.
सब कुछ हो सकता है and all you could do is talk.
After the ride, let's enjoy the females. On the flight, let's enjoy the pilot and the aircraft.
Oh, you want to enjoy the pilot? No. I think now I know why it's called the cockpit. Would you like to do it again?
Yeah.
And again?
Yeah.
And again?
Yes.
If it's free, I'll do it.
We are Indians. Can't help it. Whatever is cheap and free, we are in the line. And again?
Yes.
This place is called the hangar. You know why it's called the hangar? Because all the planes hang out here. We learned a lot of things about flying. Why don't you comment down below? Till then, like this video, share this video and subscribe to the most aerodynamic channel, Being Indian. In our search for answers, if you want to be updated with our tour guidelines, all you have to do is follow Being Ind, which is our Twitter handle, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter by the same username. Is Sahil Khattar on these two websites? The answer is yes. Over here. अब मिलेंगे अगले फ्राइडे अगली बड़ी पिक्चर के साथ जब होगी हमारी रिलीज। भाई साहब अपना छाता हटाएंगे?
अरे भाई साहब मेरे पास छाता ही नहीं है।
पीछा करो पीछा करो पीछा
यो,
करो।
यो। हम कहाँ किडनैप हो रहे हैं?
नो, मेरी अंधी माँ और विधवा बहन का क्या होगा? किडनैप किया हुआ है उन्हें लोगों ने। I mean, विधवा माँ और अंधी बहन.